very hands-on in the Motor Power Techniques program. The students spend at least half of the time in the shops doing actual lab work, and that's supported by the other half of the time doing theory lessons in the classroom.
We have large facility compared to many other colleges, without a doubt. In our lab, we have 7, 8, 9 hoists, 2 drive-on hoists. I said having this amount of space is phenomenal for us.
It's a 1-year, 2-semester program. The first semester is 15 weeks, 717, and the second semester is 17 weeks. Most students don't realize how much there is to learn when they start in this program. That's the feedback that I get from them by the time they finish, that they really didn't know what they were getting involved in.
What we're going to do in engines is an incredible project because they've never done anything that big, and to be organized enough to remove an engine from a vehicle plus all the related components, and then think you're going to have the ability to put it all back together afterwards. It's such a scary challenge for them. They complete it. It's cool to watch.
I'm most surprised that everyone's just more accepting that there's girls that are actually interested in cars and the auto industry. Because I honestly thought they might be just a little off-putted, maybe, you know?
In this class, I learned how to take belts off of vehicles, and I never learned that in high school.
It's in high demand right now. I just got off the phone this afternoon with a couple of shops that are looking for technicians, and they're wanting to come in and talk to our students.